Hello, I am Abdurrahman Darda Karaslan. With this video, I will explain the virtual assistant application called EduChat, which I designed to make it easier for students who receive and submit homework remotely via platforms such as Google Classroom. Before start, I should tell something. I have been sick for a long time, so my voice may sound bad. Also, I have to record the presentation piece by piece because I am sneezing all the time and I can't stop sneezing for a long time. Sorry for that. Okay, let's start. I will explain the presentation under 6 headings. The first title is Problem Statement. Especially during distance education periods, students are disconnected from the course and therefore have difficulty in following their homeworks and responsibilities. The assignments sent by the instructors, one after the other, may be overlooked, or even they are not overlooked, they cannot be delivered to the deadline. The most difficult part of the given homework is starting homework. In this context, there is a need for an application or service that will remind the students of the assignments given and give some hints so they can start the homework quickly. The second title is Target Audience. The target audience of the application is students, especially distance education students, who receive and submit their assignments through online platforms such as Google Classroom. Next title is Unique Value Proposition. In addition to creating a to-do list on the student's phone as soon as the assignment is sent and reminding the due date of the assignments sent via Google Classroom are also provided for students to start the assignment using ChatGPT API. Giving some tips and research for homework makes the application different from the other application. Another title is Key Features. The application will create a to-do list on the student's phone as soon as the homework is sent to the students, thanks to the mobile application we will develop. In this to-do list, it will create a step plan to follow that will be created with the help of the ChatGPT to make it easier for the students to start assignments. And will also list the resources required for these steps. Let's talk about the money. Since the students who are the target audience of the application do not have high incomes, they do not tend to spend money, especially for mobile applications. For this reason, there will be no subscription system or purchases for the application in the application. This may cause the application not to be preferred. Instead, the monetization strategy will be realized in the form of advertising on our mobile application. In order for the students to see created to-do list, it will be mandatory to watch advertisement. The last title is Future Vision. Only Google Classroom will be supported in the initial version of the application, and new versions that support platforms such as Percolus and Edmodo will be released depending on the demand in the future. In later versions of the application, perhaps students may have a vision of doing homework other than just creating a source and to-do list for their homework. And students can get rid of homework forever. And that's all. Thank you for listening.